this. Happy Valentine's, my ride or die. Pareho tayong walang jowa at sobrang pagod. Pagkasama tayong iiyak sa harap ng laptop, itag mo ang sunrise. Sorry. I am going to use this. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna copy it now. You can see it naman, di ba? I'm gonna copy it now. This is my, sorry, is it painful? Hopefully. This is my carousel. I'm gonna put it here in my carousel maker. Okay. And what would be a nice word? Love maybe here. This is the topic or whatever topic. Tapos, that's me, Air Formula. And I'm gonna use a style called, ano ba magandang style? Hand-drawn doodle. Yeah. Can you see this, Nan? Can you see? You can see it naman, hand-drawn doodle. So I have the 20 plus styles here because I'm like that. And I click on generate prompt. Uh-oh. Nag-exceeded the quota. Sabihin may kasabay ako. Kayo yon. Kasi may quota ito eh. Anyway, let's try again. I'm gonna enter my, pag exceeded the quota, sabihin, somebody's operating this at the same time I'm doing it. So, naglalaban kami sa quota. Kasi this is using my Pro Gemini. Okay, try it again. Sana walang gumawa ngayon kasabay ko para magawa ko to live. Alright, poink. Nyik. Ayaw. It's okay. I have a local version. I'm gonna run it to my local version. Copy this. And I'm gonna run. Since I made the app, this one is Air Formula app. So obviously I have my own version running on my computer. All right. So I'm gonna run it again here. Wait lang. Hahanapin ko nasaan siya. Since nilagay ko siya sa internet kasi, hindi ko na siya pinapa-under sa computer ko. Kasi why not? Why, di ba? So there it is. Where is it? Okay, wait. I think I found it. Yep. There it is. Thank. Oh, wait. That. It's running. Sorry, you can't see it, but it's running. So, itong app na to, there are two versions. One is on the internet, and one is running on my computer. Okay. So, pag hindi to umandar, kasi may naubos na yung kanyang quota. Sabihin, one of you guys in my Air Formula group has been using it a lot. Okay? At ayaw nyo tumigil siguro, kaya ayun, naubos yung quota for me. But that's okay. Meron naman ako sarili ko. Resources. So, check your plan and details. Hindi siguro totoo to. Anyway, ayan, hindi ko mapaandar. Well, I have to find. Sige, mag-usap muna tayo. Hahanapin ko lang yung app. Let's change topic. May sumasali sa naka-iPhone. Sino kaya ito? Continue ko na lang ulit, Doc, saka Ann. Hanapin ko lang yung app ko na local.
Sure.
Sige pa.
Kasi ayaw eh. Ang gagawin ko, di ba? Ayaw mandar, di ba? Mag-usap muna tayo. Happy Valentine's, ride or die. Who is iPhone? Pakilala po. Makakakilala lang naman natin yan lahat eh. Hello. Who are you, Miss iPhone? Pakilala naman po. Kahit sa chat, so we know who we're talking to. Valentine's. Ang ganda ng Happy Valentine's mo. Oh, okay. I might as well. Ann, what's on your mind? Ako naman ng Valentine's Day. Baka naman you have thinking of something else. Go for it.
Ako, wala. Natawa lang talaga ako sa sarili ko kasi nagtanong talaga ako kung may webinar.
Kalimutan mo. Explain mo sa nakikinig, hindi marunong. Hindi alam ng mga nakikinig
So naghahanap ako in-expect ko may webinar. Kasi Saturday, sinet naman talaga ni Jomar na ang Air Formula is Saturday, it's 9 p.m.
Yeah.
So nasa planner ko yan kasi ang profitable funnels is Thursday. So inisip ko ngayong araw na to na kailangan yung mga hinihingi ni Jomar na instructions, I need to set it up bago yung webinar. Kasi,
Oo.
since February 6, wala akong internet.
Wow,
Nagkaroon,
talaga?
nagkaroon ako ng internet kahapon lang din. So, 7 weeks, 7 days,
Wow.
7 weeks,
Wow.
7 days wala akong internet connection. I was
Oo.
relying on mobile data.
Okay, okay.
So, so tinitipid ko talaga yung mobile data ko kasi I was preserving it for meetings.
Mm.
So, ngayon, so may internet na. So, sabi ko, gagawin ko lahat ng pinapagawa ni Jomar. So, nag-backread ako. So, nung
Mm.
nagka-backread na ako, sabi ko, may night, no? Sabi ko ganyan. Tapos, may sumagot na hindi naman niya sinabing wala, pero ang sabi niya, si Miss Suzanne yun. So, if
Mm.
you're listening, malamang natatawa siya. Sabi niya, hindi naman niya sinabing wala, pero ang sinabi niya is, may shinare si Jomar na instructions, which is how to make carousel post. Tapos,
Mhm.
so sabi ko, oh, okay, thank you. Sabi ko ganyan. Tapos kumain ako and then nag-pray ako. Tapos after nun, sabi ko, ba't ka naghahanap ng webinar? Valentine's Day? Sabi ko ganyan. Sabi
Sino
ko,
nagsabi nun? Ikaw?
ako!
Sarili mo?
Ako! Sabi ko sa sarili ko, ba't ka naghahanap ng webinar? Valentine's Day? Sabi ko, ay, sabi ko ganyan, ay, agoy, sabi ko ganyan. Kaya
Agoy.
natawa talaga ako, tawa ako
Nagbisaya
ng
ka
tawa.
bigla.
Kaya sabi ko, ano ba yan, single ka kasi? Sabi ko ganyan. Kaya tawa talaga ako ng tawa. Kaya
Oo.
bumalik ako doon sa group chat. Tapos
Oo.
sabi ko doon, sabi ko, pasensya na po.
Mm.
Ang tag dito, ano sinabi ko, pasensya na po, ang in-expect ko is may webinar today. Pero nakalimutan ko kung may okasyon. So
Mm.
sabi ko, sorry, single po. Sabi ko ganyan.
Yes.
Kaya, yan yung nakwento.
Thou hast forgotten.
Oo.
Mm.
So yun talagang sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, ano ka ba, may okasyon ngayon, walang webinar. Sabi ko, kaya natawa lang ako
Mm.
na naghahanap ako ng webinar. Yan yung mga priorities ko sa buhay. Noon yung Lunes, may
Ah.
kapitbahay kami na kababata ko yon. Isa yun sa mga kababata ko. She gave birth. So, a few days old pa lang yung baby niya. Ang sabi niya sa amin, 3 araw nang walang araw. Sabi niya ganon. Ang ibig niyang sabihin ay, since walang araw, hindi niya mapaarawan yung baby niya.
Oo.
And that's what moms do, right? If you have a newborn
Yes, of
baby,
course.
pinapaarawan
Oo.
mo yung anak mo.
Oo.
So, sabi niya 3 araw na kaming walang araw, sabi niya ganon. Ako, sabi ko, kami 3 araw na walang internet. Sabi ko ngayon, di ba, life's priorities tayo, guys. Ayan po mga priority ng single, internet. Saka webinar. Pasensya na talaga. Pero like, wala talaga sa loob ko. Sabi ko, oh, grabe talaga. Ayun lang, natawa lang ako. First time yun nangyari kasi dati aware ako na pag may occasion na okay, I'm not looking for anything na like learning time ganon. So, ngayon lang talaga 'to nangyari kaya natawa talaga ako sa sarili ko. Ayun lang po. Yun lang ang kwento today. Pasensya na po, single.
Katawa, no?
May question ako. Yung
Yes.
po, yung
Go for it.
ngayon ko lang, sorry, hindi ako nakapag-attend ng mga previous. Pero ano yung may tag na parang value pagkatapos payoff? Ano yun? Lahat standard na format yun or
that's a shortcut. That's a shortcut whenever you're doing anything on the internet.
Okay.
Today, when you talk to somebody, when you create a reel, create a post, any of those standard na framework, also known as standard na way of speaking to people. You start off with a hook. Yun ang pinakauna, di ba? Hook. Tapos, ano nga lang, I didn't tell you about it kasi it's not important for you to know what it is kasi it's an indicator to the AI to help you. Pwede ko nga tanggalin na lang pero kasi nga mas clear intindihin when you make anything, any kind of content online. Pag naglagay ka ng ganyang rule, if of course,
Mhm.
syempre ni AI na, okay, let's make it this way. Let's make it look like that. Tapos,
Mhm.
teka lang, nawala yung mukha ko bigla. Weird. Anyway. Tapos pag nangyari yun, the person looking at your carousel, let's say slide 1 of your carousel, will pay attention
Oo.
because of the design of the hook. Kasi yun naman talaga yung point, kaya may hook.
Mhm.
Tapos yung after they pay attention to the first slide, you now have a person who's going to watch or look at the next slide. And the next slide must have something valuable in it, right?
Mhm.
Para tuloy lang siya. And since nandun na rin lang siya, edi tuloy-tuloy na rin, magbigay ka ng another value. Pero since apat
Okay.
lang siya, kailangan mong tapusin yung message mo kung ano man yung message na yon. Like in our
Yun.
case, ang
Kaya.
message natin is the funny Galentines, right?
Mhm.
There has to be some part parang if this is a joke, set up yung hook, yung payoff yung final joke. Dapat matatawa siya or mai-inform siya
Mhm.
or mauudyok yung damdamin niya, yung ganyan. Katulad nung kaninang parang joke na binuksan natin.
Mhm.
So, yun yung pag naggawa si Air Formula ng carousel which has 3 lines, which is 4 images, ganyan talaga yung format na gagamitin niya. Galing yan sa mga experts. Like,
Mhm.
ito yung first set, halimbawa. Ginawa ko
Okay.
to, this is for last week.
Aha.
Pre-Valentine's promo setup is starting now. Now, who's gonna relate to this? Mga online sellers lang.
Mhm.
Di ba? hindi
Tama.
hindi si Ann na single, di ba? So ito yung hook. Hook attracts your main audience, right? If you're like ang tendency mo dito is I'm trying to sell to the main audience which is the online sellers. Now, if you just make a greeting like I do, a greeting post, hindi ganyan, syempre.
Aha.
Yung katulad kanina, I was trying to make one. Tapos, ito yung second slide niya. You want to sell flowers or gifts but your website is too slow. So this is,
Mhm.
since online seller yan, kung nakarelate siya dito, game. Okay? Pangatlo, complex tools make you lose customers before they even buy. Pag nakarelate siya, keep reading. Pag di siya nakarelate, it's fine. Kasi hindi mo, this is a narrow carousel, only talking to buyers. And this is the final one, the payoff. Move to one simple system today to catch the February rush.
Oo.
So, kung nagustuhan niya yung first one, okay lang siya dun sa second, ito yung payoff, kailangan niyang tanongin ngayon dun sa account, which is my account. Anong simple system yon? Kasi I didn't say it.
Mhm.
And I also did not put it in the comments. But there is a branding. You see the bottom? Air Formula. So,
Mhm.
alam niya na yung account ko, na hindi Air Formula ang pangalan, is promoting something like Air Formula. Or, they will say, oh, I want to follow this account because meron siyang sinasabing hindi ko pa alam ang sagot. Ganyan. So, ano yan? So, that is one for February. Want to see another one? For those na hindi pa familiar, this is a
Sige.
hook. This is a hook for a generic sale. You want to sell something.
Yeah.
Sino makakakuha niya? Sino makaka-relate dyan?
This is the sign you were waiting for. Parang mystery no?
Parang lahat, di ba?
Mhm.
But this is a selling message already. Kaya
Mhm.
very generic. Kasi parang intrigue this is the hook, intrigue. Tapos biglang papasok dito. You read the emails, you saw the results, you know you need this upgrade. So,
Mhm.
it's already talking to somebody specific who's read my emails, who watched my shows. So, if you're not that person, you won't understand it. Right? So, ito yung kasunod. Procrastination is the enemy. Do not let I will do it later turn to I miss it. So, this one is value, teaching you about procrastination. Yeah. But notice, it doesn't seem to be selling anything as well. Right? It's just telling you, this is my procrastination carousel, essentially. Whenever you sell anything online and you have a deadline, like today's the deadline for February 14, di ba? You must have a procrastination message. And this is it. This is it. Ito yung procrastination message. Ito. Okay? So, yan. Ito na ako. Bumalik na ako. It's my fault pala kaya ako nawala. Tinanggal ko yung sarili ko. Anyway, I don't know. So, that's the procrastination message. And this is the final one. The door locks. Also, alam niyo na, I was selling something pala. The door locks in 24 hours. Decide now, secure your spot. Notice it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a carousel. Kasi sa Facebook, ano yan eh. Kita mo lahat yan, 4. Sa Insta yan, kita mo yan isa-isa. Sa LinkedIn, kita mo yan isa-isa, tapos may arrow to the right.
Oo.
So the carousel works because it allows you to use graphics, pretty graphics, to communicate one message. Yun.
Okay.
So yan, ang haba ng sagot. Ito yung hook,
Oo.
value, payoff. Yan yung ibig sabihin
Pero
nun.
maganda, illustrated siya.
Yun ang ibig sabihin ng hook, value, payoff. Alright? So instead of putting everything here in the caption, which you also do, dito mo na nilagay lahat. Okay? And of course, as you can see, mukha talagang ginawa ng effort. Di ba? Happy Galentine's, my ride or die. Di ba, para kang nagbebenta ng kape. Pareho tayong walang jowa at sobrang pagod. Magkasama tayong iiyak sa harap ng laptop. Itag mo ang sad best friend mo. Okay. That's our very, very bad greeting. Ay, bad ginawa niyang Nano Banana yung branding. It's okay. It's my backup system. So that's it's bad because it's ChatGPT. Let's take a look at Claude, okay? So this is Claude and it's the same. Happy Valentine's, may ride or die. Pareho tayong walang jowa, etc. The branding is incorrect. It's Nano Banana. It's not Air Formula. But yeah, that's how fast it makes that. Okay? Now, you didn't notice that, so let me just do it to you right now. Do the thing, the process, no? So from here, hindi ko change ito at Air Formula. Then, ito na yung Happy Galentine's. Can you see? I'm not sure eh. Ito yan. I'll put in love here. Then, auto connector, custom. And I'll put love cakes. I don't know. It's making things up. Kasi Valentine's. I put Valentine's lang. Valentine's. You'll see what it does. So I'm gonna ask you, anyone, please select for me a style. If you can read it, tell me a style na pwede kong gamitin. From what you can read here.
Pinoy Maximalist Fiesta Style.
Ay, bahala ka. Sige, try natin.
Sige.
Sige. Okay, generate prompt. Copy. Lagay na natin dito, Pinoy Maximalist. Okay. Ang pag skeleton prompt, image please, lalagyan ko na ng image please. And say go. So this is Gemini Pro. I'm gonna go and copy this and put it in ChatGPT so you guys can see the difference. Same. And ipa-prompt ko siya. Notice, Doc, wala akong type na prompt. Do you notice that?
Wala nga.
Wala. I didn't say, okay, just type this. You should be creative. Type this. Nothing. I did not have any knowledge. In fact, I just selected, sabi mo, Pinoy Maximalist. That's all I did. Welcome to Pinoy Maximalist. Sabi ko, bahala ka. That is Pinoy Fiesta Maximalist. Happy Galentine's, my ride or die. Pareho tayong walang jowa at sobrang pagod. Did you notice that the word Valentine's is going like that? It's like flowing. Yan. Magkasama tayong iiyak sa harap ng laptop. Itag mo ang Valentine's best friend mo. I'm gonna copy this. And the branding is not correct. It's Air Formula. And I'm gonna go hit. That was Gemini. Okay. Maximalist Filipino Gemini. Okay. Now, maybe if you wanna really pay attention to this design, I'm going to give you a bigger version. Is that okay? But kahit yung first slide lang para maintindihan nyo kung ano yung pinagawa sa atin ni Ann. That's Pinoy Maximalist. Yeah. Yung sabihin nun, fill up the entire thing with Filipino designs. That's it. That's Filipino Maximalist. All right. Now, let's check out yung kabila, which is upgrade to create faster. Hindi. Binabagalan niya ako para hindi na ako maggumawa. Fine. Anyway, that's ChatGPT wants me to upgrade. I don't want to upgrade. So, in other words, moving on na tayo. Okay? Kasi tagal pa siya. Okay. After you've created this one, you now save it. And now you bring it to my publicly available splitter. So this is the splitter. Airform, jomar.club/carousel cutter in title niya. Okay. Let me just type that in so people who visit us will know. Just go to this public spot, jomar.club/carousel cutter. You go here and then you start uploading your image, which we just created kanina, the Pinoy maximalist thingy, and it's gonna like there cut it for you. And I just click on download all because syempre mabilis lang. Click download all. It's gonna create a zip file for you. Okay, and the zip file needs to be unzipped, syempre, and we're gonna upload it. Can you tell me where? What account do I have in this machine? So natin na-upload. Hindi ako pwede mag-FB eh. Who wants to get the file and you upload it to your own? By the way, since we're using AI, would you like us to generate something else while we're doing this stuff? Like, same prompt, I can change. Who wants to vote for another style? Yun pa rin yung message. Would you like to vote for another style? In my website, upload the file na ginawa ni ChatGPT na pinahintay niya tayo. Grabe kamukha ni Rian Ramos Uso. So now I'm going to use my uploader. This is my uploader, by the way. For those na hindi marunong, sa multicasting, multi-uploading, I normally do not post into the platform itself. I use a multi-uploader. This is the tool I use. So give you a link to this tool if you want. It's a paid app, but it's really worth it because it allows me to go to LinkedIn, Twitter, Blue Sky, TikTok, Google, My Business, and YouTube and Facebook all in one go. Like what you're doing now. I type happy Valentine's. And that's all. I can even put a link if I want, but hindi naman applicable yung link, right? This is called, by the way, there's a type. This is a type of post. Let me tell you what it is. Kasi inside the prompt that you just used in Air Formula, do you notice the final one is asking you to do something? It's not teaching you anything. It's asking you to do something. Itag mo ang sad best friend mo. This is called an engagement post or engagement hook. So when you use the Air Formula prompt that I made, yung app kanina, sometimes it will make an engagement hook na ganito. Sometimes it will make something na hindi humihingi ng itag mo ang best friend mo. Sometimes it will just give a valuable thing. It will teach something. Ganon. Okay? Hindi siya pare-pareho kasi in-spread out ko yung type of posts. Okay? So, just for you know. So, yan na po. I'll just have to, ito na siya. Yan yung itsura niya. Oh. Ganyan itsura niya sa LinkedIn. Ganyan itsura niya sa TikTok, Twitter, Blue Sky, and Google My Business. And I'm just going to click publish now. And that's done. Tapos na po. That's done. And while that's happening, I can now get started with doing other stuff, like dito. And what are the other stuff? Which is this one here. Ayan na ang gawa niyong Art Deco. Mas maganda to. Art Deco. What's this? I'll give it to you in the chat. Yeah, what's this? I-splitter nyo na lang para hindi ko na ipadala sa inyo yung split up na files. Okay? You want me to split it and give it to you? Para baka hindi pumayag It's called Art Deco. So, yung creativity mo nga, syempre matututo ka, ganyan pala ang Art Deco. Oh naman. So, once we have that, I save it. I go to my splitter, upload it. So, this entire process is actually less than 5 minutes. Kasi zip files are downloaded quickly on my computer. I now already have the files and I can give it to anyone and everyone in the chat room. You can use it to promote Air Formula because you have ang tawag mo doon, affiliate income. Alam niyo ba 'yon? Air Formula can be promoted using affiliate income. So nilagay ko na yung file sa loob ng chat room natin sa loob. Pwede download isa-isa. Or if you want to see the fun of splitting the file, I can give you the actual original file. Na para paglaruan nyo, makita nyo yung power of splitting that file. Ganon. Very complicated yung prompt that I used to create this thing. This is because the design is complete consistency and it's really designed for engagement. Okay, and also branding, if you notice. Okay, so yan ang wow, ang ganda ng napili ni Sir. Okay, o yan, hindi ko siya pinost, kayo na mag-post. Nilagay ko na siya sa loob ng chatroom. Alright, Galentine's Ride or Die. Okay, excuse me. For those of you who's always joining my Zoom, no, lilipat tayo sa Google Meet. In a few days, aalis na ako sa Zoom. After paying them 108,000 pesos for all the years I've been, 100,000 pesos ang binayad ko sa Zoom throughout the years. 9 years na ata ako sa Zoom eh. So, I'm gonna move to Google Meet. Na, ganon. Because Google Meet, may kasama kasing AI si Google Meet. So, si Zoom walang AI, so sayang. And the reason why I'm able to make these pretty pictures is because I'm using Pro AI. So Air Formula, I'll teach you how to do that in case you don't know yet. Paano ka makakakuha ng Pro na AI for free for a limited time? So nasa Air Formula yan. Okay? So yan yung demo. Sino pa ang gusto magsalita? You can, 10:30 pa lang. Pwede pa kayo mag-talkies. Nakita niyo yung process? Though the process is there, I also prepared some other stuff here. Okay. Gawa pa tayo. More. Ito pa ulit. I'm back to Air Formula na prompt, no? Give me 10 more ideas. Yan. So itong prompting session na to, nakadikit na dito yung company goals, pain points, everything about marketing a business or online presence. And it's answering me based on that basis. So in your Air Formula, you'll get to see exactly how to build this prompts. Kasi prompting session to. Okay? Ano yung missing? Ano yung dadagdag mo sa ginawa ko na? So essentially what you're building in Air Formula is a session with an AI. In this case, this is Gemini. You can do it in ChatGPT as well. Pero sa akin kasi, Gemini is much better because I have a pro account. Tapos, when you use this, it's going to give you information based on your business. So, 10 more. Hindi ko sinabi na dapat tungkol sa Galentine's story. Tingnan natin kung kaya niya. Hindi niya ginawang kaya. Kainis. No. 10 more about Galentine's and Ride or Die. Hindi niya sinabi. Feeling ko ang daming gumagamit ng AI ngayon, Valentine's night, kaya naubusan ako ng quota. Okay? Manong guard, siya lang ang bumati sa akin. Pinuksan pa niya ang pinto. Ngitian mo naman siya bukas. So you see, the payoff is not even tag a friend or share. I'm just telling you what to do, which is not even funny. So this made by the AI. I use this. Assume mo na lang you like it. Okay? I use this to create a video. Would you like to see the video? It's just one video. I did not make several videos yet. So this process of making from this script, that's the script, into a video is also part of the Air Formula. Ready and go. That's it. Wait. Why did you look at him? Excuse me. Normally we take 3 of these. The normal process is you don't just take one of these. you take 3 videos of different parts, and then you put them together. But if your video is enough to communicate the message, because the message, as you know, is this, no? Valentine's ko si Money Guard. So you can just put this in your caption and then put this in your video, and you have a video. A reel, essentially a reel that can be, kamukha ni Jessica Sanchez yung babae. I don't even know who that is. Who is that? Jessica Sanchez. Singer ba yun?
American Idol.
Ah, does she sing?
Yes. American
Oh,
Idol,
so this
saka recently America's Got Talent. Siya yung
Okay.
na umabot ng final sa American Idol. Kaya siya
Recent ba?
kilala.
Recent to?
Yung American Idol, siguro magte-10 years na siguro. Yung America's Got
Mm.
Talent, last year lang, mga November,
Ah,
December.
recent lang. So yan ang Pilipino. Sabi ko kasi Filipino eh. She's supposed to
Yeah,
be
she looks
carrying...
like her. Oo, kamukha niya.
Grabe. Oh, I
Grabe,
didn't know
parang
that.
may-ari ng mall yung security guard, may pahatid. May pahatid sa...
I don't know. My point is, you need the air formula kasi coming up with ideas like this is no longer a problem. This idea is something that I say yes or no to because this is a ton of ideas from the prompts.